Why do some people dread summer, while everyone else counts down the days for it? If you'd rather stay wrapped in a blanket than lie on a beach, stick around, because this isn't just a preference, it's psychology, and it says more about you than you think. Today, we're breaking down why some people love winter so much more than summer, and what it actually reveals about their personality. Winter people aren't weird, they're just wired differently. And understanding why can help you appreciate yourself or understand someone you know better. Psychologically, there are four main reasons people prefer winter over summer. Reason 1. Stimulation levels. Psychologists who study personality traits point out that winter-loving people tend to have lower stimulation needs than summer lovers. In simple terms, summer is loud, it's hot, it's crowded, beaches are packed, social events are everywhere, barbecues, parties, constant noise and activity. Winter is quiet, it's calm, fewer people go outside, fewer events happen. The world slows down. For people with lower stimulation needs, who get overwhelmed by too much activity, winter is actually relaxing. It's not depressing. It's peaceful. Summer's high stimulation environment actually increases their anxiety. They feel exhausted by the noise. This is why introverts often prefer winter. The world naturally matches their energy level. Reason 2. Social pressure. Summer comes with a specific social expectation. You must go outside, you must go to the beach, you must be active, you must be social. Winter doesn't have these expectations. It's socially acceptable to stay home, to be quiet, to be alone. For people who don't fit the summer person stereotype, who aren't naturally social or beach-oriented, summer creates guilt and pressure. Psychologists have a name for this: summer guilt, feeling bad for not enjoying summer as much as you're supposed to. Winter eliminates this guilt. You can stay home and nobody judges you. In fact, it's expected. This psychological relief alone makes winter preferable for many people. Reason 3. Sensory sensitivity. Winter people often have higher sensory sensitivity. The bright sun, the heat, the humidity, these aren't refreshing. They're overwhelming. Cold weather feels soothing. The crisp air, the quietness of snow, the comfort of layers and coziness. This isn't just preference. Highly sensitive people are known to have different nervous system responses to sensory input. Warm, bright, loud environments overstimulate them. Cool, quiet, soft environments calm them. For highly sensitive people, summer can feel mildly stressful, almost on a nervous system level, not just an emotional one. Reason 4. Mood and seasonal patterns. Interestingly, many winter lovers actually feel better emotionally in winter. This seems counterintuitive because we hear so much about seasonal affective disorder, depression, in winter. But for some people, it's the opposite. They feel low in summer, they feel better in winter. Why? Sometimes it's because they have less social pressure, which reduces anxiety. The world matches their natural rhythm. They feel more authentic to themselves. They experience less overstimulation. So, winter depression for some people is actually summer depression in reverse. The psychological pattern is simple. When your environment matches your personality, you feel better. For winter people, winter matches them. Summer doesn't. So here's what's important to understand. Preferring winter doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you're probably more introverted. You have lower stimulation needs. You might be sensitive to sensory input. You value quiet and calm. You're authentic to yourself, not following social expectations. These are actually strengths, not weaknesses. In our loud, hyperactive culture, the ability to embrace quiet and calm is actually rare and valuable. Winter people often think more deeply, create more meaningful work, have stronger, close relationships, take care of their mental health better, feel less pressure to be someone they're not. The world tells you summer is better, brighter, more fun, more social. But if you're a winter person, summer is actually forcing you to be less yourself. Winter is when you can finally be you. So if you're dreading summer, you're not broken. You're just wired differently. And that's actually beautiful. The key is this: stop fighting your nature, stop feeling guilty for not loving summer, stop trying to be a summer person. Instead, embrace what you actually prefer. Build your life around your actual needs. Seek environments and activities that match your personality. When you stop forcing yourself to be something you're not, life becomes so much easier and so much happier. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more psychology that explains why you are the way you are. And in the comments, tell me, are you a winter person or summer person?